Abacus classes, making your child count. Please watch the video till last. So, good evening students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Follow these rules at home as wash your hands properly and maintain social distancing. Today's topic is today we will make abacus tool. So students, let's start. Kids, as you can see in front of you an abacus tool is there and one blank paper. So today we will draw abacus tool in this paper. Please watch the video carefully and till last. So let's start. First of all, you will put this abacus tool aside. First of all, you will draw one box, a long box like rectangle. This you have to draw in your abacus notebook. Students, why I am making you draw this abacus tool in your notebook? Because the whole abacus you will do with this tool only. And if you will not know about this tool, if you will not have the knowledge about this tool, you can't do the abacus. Previously, I have told you to draw this abacus tool in your rough notebook. Now you will draw this tool in your fair notebook. So as you can see, I have drawn this rectangular box, or you can say a long box. Then students, see this abacus. Like this only I have drawn here. Now you can see in between one line is there. A line is going from between. Can you see? This line we will draw here also. This. See, we have drawn this line. Now students, you can see there are 17 lines in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 17 lines. So we will draw it. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and the last one, which is 17. So students, I have drawn the 17 lines. You can count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. See, one by one with me you can draw this tool. Now see this tool. You can see 1, 2, 3. On third count there is one dot. 1, 2, 3. Third count there is dot. So this dot we will make here also. Now don't count from this. Count from inner one. The first line. 1, 2, 3. On third place there is one dot. Now count from next line. 1, 2, 3 on third place. Now from next line count 1, 2, 3. Then count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now lines are ended. 1, 2, third line is not there. So students, how many dots you have made? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots you have made. So which is your mid dot? Mid dot means the middle dot. Where is your middle dot, kids? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your middle dot. To this side, to this side, and this is your middle one. Now students, we will label this tool. See, exactly like this tool I have made this abacus tool. So now we will label it. Label it means we will write the names of its parts. First of all, this, the outer part, this is called frame. This is called frame. And this, the line which is going from the middle one, this line is called bar. This line is called bar, and this outer part, this part is called the frame. Now, where is your middle line? Middle dot. 1, 2, 3. This is your middle dot. Now students, in this middle dot only we do our calculations. इस dot वाली line पर ही हम अपनी calculations करते हैं. So हम इस पे beads बनाएंगे. We will draw beads. One bead is up, as you can see again. See, in this middle line, one bead is up, and 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are down. So one bead up, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Students, you will ask that, ma'am, why you have drawn the beads only in this line? Why not in others line? So students, you can draw in others line also. As you can see, your abacus tool is full of beads. See, in each and every line, see, each and every line there are beads. So you can draw the beads in whole abacus. I have drawn in only these 2 rods because you do your calculations. आप जो भी अपने calculations करते हैं आप इन 2 rods में करते हैं. That's why I have drawn the beads only in these 2 rods. It's your choice. You can draw the beads in other rods also. So in this rod you do your calculations. इस rod को हम कहते हैं, we call it units rod. Students, this you have to learn. इस rod को हम कहते हैं units rod. And this rod we call tens rod. Kids, this rod is called the hundreds rod, but hundreds rod is not in your course this time. So you will learn only these 2 rods, units rod and tens rod. Now, what is the value of this bead? This is 5. Do you remember? Yes. And this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. These beads we call upper beads, and these beads we call lower beads. You know this? The beads which are down are called lower beads, and the beads which are up are called upper beads. And this, the middle dot upper bead is 5. This is 5. And this is 1. Students, and this bead is 50, and this bead is 10. Students, you have to make this abacus tool in your abacus notebook. Again I am saying you can draw with me also, like you will put the video in front of you and one by one as I am drawing you can draw with me also. It will be very easy for you. You just have to learn the frame, which is the outer part of abacus tool, bar, and then you have to learn that the mid dot rod is called the units rod. And just besides the units rod, उसके just किनारे में होती है आपकी tens rod. Upper bead is 5. This is 1. Then 2, 3, 4. This is 50. This value is 50. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. The students, I have told you this 5, 1 in your first class. If you remember it, you can get it very easily. Try to make this abacus tool in your abacus fair notebook. So students, today with this video, I am not giving any PDF. You have to draw this abacus tool in your fair abacus notebook, and you can make it creative by coloring it, by using different colors. You can make it creative also. And listen kids, some students are asking me that what type of notebook we have to make for abacus. Kids, you can make a maths type notebook for abacus. It will be very easy for you to make the tool in the maths type abacus notebook. So the kids, those who have made the abacus notebook, it's very good. Those who have not made, please make the abacus notebook just like your maths notebook. जैसे आपकी मैथ्स की नोटबुक होती है स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस वाली, द सेम यू कैन मेक फॉर द abacus also. So kids, stay home, stay safe, just draw this abacus tool in a very creative manner and very neatly, and you can use the colors of your choice and learn it. Practice the abacus tool at home. Like and subscribe. Thank you.